sky seen with the naked eye. This isn't some sort of a camera anomaly. This is what compelled the viewer to take the photo of the sky. Yes, they were out looking at the auroras, the beautiful greens and pinks and purples that were dancing across the sky for the better part of 12 hours. The storm lasted over 18 hours, covering 2 hemispheres. But here's a zoomed-in view of the rings that I received just a couple of days ago. I've got more that I want to share with you guys. One that's even more bizarre. Check this out. Going over to the UK, Cole Dines out of Suffolk, United Kingdom. Notice the anomaly up here in the left-hand part of the photo that was shared by Cole. Check it out. He noticed what he was describing as triangles up in the sky and some sort of dark beams extending out from basically a center point right there. But he saw that in the sky above the United Kingdom, sticking out in the middle of the bright purples and pinks. Here I put it in a different format. I just simply switched the lighting and took away the color, looking for more possible features. And there you go. You can actually see it a little bit better. This is basically a black and white format. I used another format right here, kind of brightened it up a little bit. And check it out. There's definitely something going on right there. Almost as if, like the circles, something impacted the atmosphere. Wouldn't have necessarily been visible if it wasn't for the strong G4 geomagnetic storm. And coming up, I've got more examples of these bizarre circles that were showing up in the nighttime sky. Right there's one fairly large one, possibly two. Photos sent in by Luger, and you can see the circles embedded in the very dark green auroras from his location. Not exactly sure of the location, as they didn't share the location with me. However, the next photos out of Ohio, sent in by Rebecca, looking north over Lake Erie. You can see the rings right there, multiple rings in the sky that were visible in the sky. This isn't some sort of a camera artifact. Right there they are again, as if some sort of a weird EMP. An EMP is an electromagnetic pulse, possibly interacting with the atmosphere, only becoming visible because of the excess energy from the G4 geomagnetic storm. Check out this next photo by James Parker out of Ritzville, Washington. We received photos from the East Coast and the West Coast and multiple places in between, even above Ireland, the United Kingdom. This photo here taken by James, once again, out of Washington. Notice how low these are to the ground. The other ones were a little higher up in the sky. Here's photo number 2 by James. And again, this one here appears to be even lower. And I'm talking about the collection of rings, some sort of a mysterious pulse showing up in the nighttime sky during the powerful G4 geomagnetic storm. Here's another one, a little tougher to see, sent in by Troy out of southeast Ohio. There's a ring right over here, a collection of rings, quite possibly two. Again, I know those are a little tougher to see, but he could see them from southeastern Ohio. See them right there? They were visible from, there they are, there's a little better view of the rings right there. They were visible from northern Ohio, looking out over Lake Erie in the northern sky. They were visible from southeastern Ohio. This photo here was sent in by Marilyn and Susan out of Ireland. Notice the rings right there, a collection of perfect circles in the nighttime sky. Here's one big one. See it?